welcome back to my channel. I'm your Sean Lukraska. Today we are making a fish egg. Let's make it, guys. Look at that. Now we have a mackerel fish egg here. Okay, first was put this thing.
Powder, yellow.
Little bit turmeric powder to the fish egg. This much. Boy. Next, put this spoon back. Get this spoon and put this much salt.
1 spoon.
1 spoon. So, after that, you know that a little bit mix. It won't really. Look at how it goes. Now I took the pan. Now I add some oil to the pan.
Yes.
We should put homemade masala to the pan. 1 big spoon need to be there. Whee! Okay. Next, after that all, 1 scoop of ginger powder paste.
Ginger garlic.
Ginger garlic paste.
Then nicely mix it.
Then nicely mix it. And nicely mix it, guys. Smells so good. Now take 1 spoon of vinegar.
Mix it.
Now time to mix it.
Mix it nicely.
Now a little bit of salt again and mix it. Put more eggs to there.
Next to the pan.
Eggs to the pan.
പക്ഷെ ഒത്തും
Mama, you got this. This and whisk it again. Below, subscribe to the channel and like the video when you like this fish egg. Super.